Palazzo dei Re, 1699 to 1789. With Duke Vittorio Amedeo II, the palace acquired impressive architecture, an expression of the magnificence of the power of the court of Savoy. The Duke entrusted the extension and complete renovation of the complex to architect Michelangelo Garove. The first gallery and the gardens were revamped in French style to the model of Versailles, with sweeping views framed by the Alps. On being crowned king in 1713, Vittorio Amedeo II assigned the enlargement project of the building to Filippo Juvara in 1716, building started of the Galleria Grande, large gallery, the Cappella di Sant Uberto, St. Hubert's Chapel, the Citroniera, Lemon House, and Scuderia Grande, large stables. In 1739, Carlo Emanuele III entrusted Benedetto Alfieri with the design of a series of interconnecting galleries between pre-existing parts of the building, as well as various other buildings serving for court life, such as the stables to the west and the indoor riding school. Between 1788 and 1789, the nuptial suites of the Dukes of Aosta were created on the top floors, to the design of Giuseppe Battista Piacenza and Carlo Randoni, and today they house the Sale delle Arti, arts halls.